here's the manual. All looking good. Lots of stuff, but I mean, we don't need to know too much about it, because this is quite self-explanatory. This is like old school computer cable. P1. Sorry about with the light's a bit low in here. The battery's charging, but we've had a few days of terrible clouds and no sun, so the battery is dead flat. I've got to keep the LED strip lights down to let the battery charge. No idea what this one's for. Not yet anyway. This one, little tabs. I do have a display coming for this too, so I imagine, who knows, maybe it plugs into that, maybe it plugs into one of these, I'm not sure yet. And no, of course I haven't read this. It tells you how to parallel them up, how to set the address, which we don't need to do at the moment because we need to get the app. We've got some general stats here, which all seem pretty straightforward. Very cool. The other side's in German. Achtung. And then we've got the BMS leads. B15, so we need the yellow one and the blue one. We only need to go to B8, I believe. And I did notice, look at this. 4 temperature probes. Wow, that is so good. 4. That's wild. That actually works out really well because each one of our batteries, well, it's not going to work, but each one of our battery has 1 temperature probe built in. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We can monitor each separately. Maybe not using that one, we can just use our own if it'll reach. Look, oh, look at that length. That is very nice. So what, we need a white and a blue for now. The other two will be, uh-oh, we are knotted together here. I don't know if the other ones need to be plugged in as well. I don't imagine so. So white and blue. What else do we have here? We've got, so red. Oh, each one has its own temperature probe. I thought they were going to be all, oh man, that's good. I thought they were all going to be bundled up on one. So very good. Just keep them there for later. What? We do have a single red wire. That must be power. Or if it's no negative. Oh, this is hooked up to negative, so it doesn't need that. Positive, negative. I don't think we plugged these in yet because we need to rewire the other end. We also got these in special delivery. Cable joiners. This is gonna make it so good. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. More than what we need for a 16S. That's good. So we just pull these up, push the wire in. Boop. We're going to go pluggity, pluggity, pluggity. Pluggity, 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 pluggity. Nice and easy, temporary for testing and whatnot. Wire joining. Yes, please. Cool. That must be the button to turn it on. Alright, until the next video, and we will plug this all in. Yeah, buddy. Na, 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 na.